How to fix Gmail app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Gmail app from here. You will see Gmail app is here. If you want to fix Gmail app not working, click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's not solved, so reinstall Gmail app. After reinstall, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Gmail app not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.